guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia here, and today we're doing another texturized video. If you're not new to my channel, then you know I'm a Texlax girl. I'm not even sure if Texlax is even the right terminology. It's just a Just For Me. It's a Just For Me texture softener, and we dilute it with oil and conditioner. I've been doing this since 2020 or 2019. Since 2019. And last year I neglected my hair so bad and it broke off a lot. So I am back going to my hairstylist, and she's gonna help me get my hair back healthy all over again. So today we are doing a touch-up. I haven't had one in about 5 months. My hair has been up. So I had locks in for 2 months, and then I had my V-part Eunice wig with no leave out in for about a month and a half. That little wig was the truth. If you ain't seen that, go back. Just go ahead and just go on back and watch it, because that little wig was the truth. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. I get a lot of questions on my older texturizer video on how I do my upkeep and stuff, so I'm just going to show you how I do my touch-up, and then I'm going to the shop tomorrow to get a treatment, trim, all of that. So I haven't had a trim since like spring, and it's October, so nothing that I do is different. I just wanted to come and do a little update. My hair is much shorter than the first time you seen my texturized video. I don't think those correlate at all. I literally went a year without taking care of my hair and it broke the hell off. So enjoy me on getting my hair back healthy, because my hair was long and healthy. Okay. Okay, everything is washed out. I was gonna blow dry it so y'all can see it dry, but I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm going to the hair salon tomorrow, and I just don't see the need to put unnecessary heat on my hair when I could go. When I'm going to the hair salon tomorrow, she has all the professional products to keep my hair from damaging. So what I was trying to show you guys when I was brushing through the conditioner is, so earlier this year we cut off like 3 or 4 inches because my hair was damaged. As you can see, like all of this is thick. Like that's where like it still have a little bit of curls if you can see it, and the ends are straight. Last year I didn't get my hair professionally done all year. I did it myself, and I was on this kinky straight. Well, I think I did get my hair done like once last year. Anyway, I was on this kinky straight clip-in wave because it was just a vibe. It was easy and it was a vibe. But I heat damaged my hair so bad because I would flat iron it like a lot. I was working out with it, letting it sweat, puff up, flat iron my hair while it's dirty. Gina told me, if you flat iron dirty hair, it will break the fuck off. So that's what happened. Look, my hair is getting dry already. Like, this is why I would texturize my hair. Like, my hair is just so thick. Its natural state is thick as hell, and it soaks up water like a sponge. We're gonna cut the rest of these straight ends off, okay, if she thinks that's necessary. I mean, I don't see any point of keeping it, but we'll see what the professional says. Let's stick to what she has to say. So yeah, so I've been keeping my hair in protective styles and not having to flat iron it that much. So that's why all of this is thick and the ends are straight, because that's heat damage, girl. Tomorrow you guys will see, you know, what it's really looking like and how much she decides to cut off. And then we're gonna start this thing all over. But I am getting a sew-in tomorrow. It's my kinky straight. Kinky straight is like my favorite. I'm getting a bust down. I'm gonna do the minimum leave out because the clip-ins is what killed my hair, because I wasn't taking care of it. I was just flat ironing it, sleeping with my clip-ins in. I treated my clip-ins like they was micro links. I didn't take them out, didn't do nothing. Like, I'm not supposed to, and you're not supposed to do that. Tomorrow, I'm trying to get y'all to see the, y'all see, do you see that? Like, just cut it off. I don't want it. I don't need it. I don't want it. I'm gonna have her cut that off, because this is where the healthy hair is. Even though it's texturized, I like it when it's like thick like that and I can manage it. Like, you can still see my curl pattern a little bit and things, but for the most part it's not like my first texturized video. My first text-like video, I had a whole bunch of curls. Whole bunch of curls that was loose, that was cute. This is 4 years of flat ironing my hair and not taking care of it. So still 100% supporter, because y'all see me flinching trying to part through my hair. Yeah, it's hard, but okay, see you later.
But
you know I don't care.
Like this, equivalent to that. That makes sense, like that.
Okay, cut it.
Hairstylist.
They know who you are.
Oh, okay. So today my girl got about an inch cut off all throughout her hair. We are good, healthy, ends are full, and this is where we at. Kinky straight.
Okay, I didn't get to close out the video at the shop, so because we were in a rush. So this is Kinky Straight Hair. It is my favorite hair to use for a straight hair sew-in because it matches my texture. Perfect. Oh. They match my hair perfectly. Love them. Kinky Straight is my favorite texture. You can get this on Gina B's website. I'll link it below. Black girls should definitely be wearing Kinky Straight hair. Okay. All right. So that is my Texlax new update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am not pro or against putting chemicals in your hair. It's literally your choice. Okay, so it's your choice. I do it. Yeah, that's just what I do. So all right guys, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. If you liked it, consider subscribing. Stay here for a while if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you guys next time.